If you're a business owner in Texas and you know that you are missing out on revenue because you are missing calls, I'm going to show you how we can fix this overnight using AI. And don't worry, there's no robotic voices, no tech headaches, just phone call comes in, AI answers, helps the customer, sends info to your team, and you stop bleeding revenue. My name's Chase. I run a company called Business Automation Suite, and I've helped hundreds of businesses clean up their marketing, fix their back end, and stop losing money on stupid little things like missing phone calls. Say your average customer is worth about $1,000 over their lifetime, and let's be conservative and say you miss 2 calls a day, 6 days a week. That's 12 missed calls a week. 12 times 1,000 is $12,000 per week, $48,000 per month, and $576,000 per year down the drain. That's not a might happen number. This is a real reality for a lot of businesses. And if your ticket is higher than $1,000, this number goes way up very fast. Every time you see a missed call and you think, I'll call them back, that is someone who was trying to pay you. And it doesn't matter what type of business you run, whether you have an HVAC company, a med spa, a roofing company, whatever. If you miss calls, this will help you. So here's how it works. Your phone rings just like it normally does. We ring it to all of your team members and they get first shot at answering. If no one's there, the AI answers. The AI talks to the customer. It gathers their name, email, and phone number, understands what they need, books a call on your calendar, sends them links and confirmations via SMS if needed, and after every call, it's logged as a contact into your CRM and your team gets a summary of the call. So instead of missed call, voicemail that nobody checks, customer gone, you get missed call, AI answers, customer gets helped, team gets notified, and you stop leaking revenue. This is about covering the gaps, like when you're not at your desk or you're on a job site, or maybe someone just stepped away for a few minutes and missed the call. Think of voice AI like your backup front desk employee that never gets tired, never asks for a raise, and never misses any details. So here's what I'm offering for Texas business owners right now. I'll build you a custom voice AI demo for you and your business. Also, on our demo call, we'll talk about your business and what a good call looks like to you, build the demo, play it for you and show you how it works behind the scenes. And if you like it, we'll plug it in and go live. So if you're tired of seeing voicemail where money should be, and you know for a fact that you are missing out on revenue due to missed calls, your next step is simple. Just click the button below and book a call with me or someone on my team. We'll build your demo and show you exactly how this will work for you and your business. And if it makes sense, we'll roll it out and go live. By the way, we can only build so many custom demos every single week. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, dang, I do miss a lot of calls, I really need this, don't overthink it. Just click the button below and I'll see you on the call.